Hi everybody. There's some wonderful fruit around the place that you can use to make a whole bunch of stuff. We've got this feijoa tree and it's just prolific. Feijoas everywhere, and we want to use this to make a feijoa and date loaf. All natural ingredients. We want to exclude any white flours or raw sugars. And so we've got this really nice recipe and we thought, well, let's pick a whole bunch of these suckers and let's make it happen. We've got quite a few feijoas here. We've got more than enough for what we need. Yeah, and we've still got a whole bunch of feijoas on the ground. Some of them are pretty small, but nevertheless, these feijoas are really quite sweet, beautiful, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what this feijoa and date loaf looks like. So I'm really, want to give it a shot. All right.
The most important thing about being healthy and also losing weight is a good diet. We really quite like going the natural way as much as possible, and today we're going to make some feijoa loaf, isn't it?
Date and feijoa loaf.
Date and feijoa loaf. So we're really looking forward to that. We've tried to use as many natural ingredients as we possibly can, yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video. So I'll leave you in Christy's capable hands. Yeah, let's go for it. Okay, Christy, the floor is yours.
Yeah. Firstly, scoop up the flesh of enough feijoas to fill a cup. Possibly about 5 to 6 large feijoas. If you don't have a feijoas, not to worry, you could use apple instead. Then finally chop up the feijoas. This makes it easy for them to cook. Place a third of a cup of water in the saucepan, add the dates and the feijoas and gently simmer. While that is simmering, shift a cup of wholemeal flour into a bowl and half a cup of rolled oats. Add a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of baking soda, add a couple of teaspoons of vanilla, and stir it into the saucepan along with 3 spoons of olive oil. Then let the contents of the saucepan cool. Once cool, then add the mixture from the saucepan to the flour along with 2 eggs and mix it all together. Pour the mixture into a loaf tin lined with baking paper. Then into the oven, which has been preheated to 170 degrees, and bake it for about an hour. Now, look at this, cooked already. Now out the oven and remove the loaf from the tin and allow it to cool. Doesn't this look great? You can serve this with a spread of butter or a yogurt. This makes for a nice snack. This is simple and natural. Makes your weight loss journey tasty and interesting. Please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and let us know how your loaf turned out in the comment below. Thank you guys for watching.